1. So how many digits do we have in tens numbers?
2, 1,
How many digits do we have in hundred numbers?
1, 1.
G? Three digits, huh?
Yes.
So how many digits do we have for 10,000 digits? 10,000 numbers. If we have any 10,000 number, it means that how many digits do we have? We have 5 digits. So you all need to learn this thing. You all need to learn this thing. I'll definitely share this on your class book as well. So for 100,000s, we have 6 digit numbers. It means
Yes.
if you have to write any 100,000 number, it means that the number must be of 6 digits. Same as for the millions, like if we want to write any million numbers or 1 million number, it means that we have 7 digit number, or we have to write in 7 digit numbers. Okay. Now move on to the 10 millions. Like if we have 10 million, we have we have one of the number and we have to write it. So it means that we have to write how many digit number? 8 digits. And for 100 billion, we have to write any 9 digit number. So is this thing clear that in unit we have 1 digit, in tens we have 2 digits, in hundreds we have 3 digits, in thousand we have 4 digits, and in 10,000 we have 5. So these are all are written, and I'm going to share this on your screens as well. Okay, on your class group as well. I'm just copying this on your class group and I'll share definitely. Now move on to any question. Now Miss Maliha, just tell me if we have any of the question. Do you have your book, Miss Maliha? Any of the book? Or okay, I'll write it by myself. It would be easy.
Yes, I have book.
No, okay. Like suppose we have what? We have this number. We have, better don't use this pen. I have to stop. Maliha, I'm only giving you this pen option, so but you will not write it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now this is the number. This is the number. This is the easiest number. So first, and we have to write this number in words. So how can we write any number in words? It will be easy for us if we learn this chart. If we learn this chart, and first we'll make this chart, and then what we'll do, we'll count the digits. How many digits do we have in this question? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. It means that we have to start writing our number to this line, 5 digit column. So it means that the number is what? It's 10,000. The number is what? 10,000. So I'm writing this 4 here. Okay. So it means that this question is 10,000 means if the number is 1,000, 4 digits, so we'll write it 4,000. Yes. Isn't it? But we have 10,000. So it means that we have to count it like 40, 50, 20, 10. In the tens we have to count. So for the 10,000 means that we have to count it in 40,000. 10 digits means 10,000 means it's 40,000. So how can we write 40? What is the spelling of 40? Who is going to tell me?
F-U-R-T.
Who is saying you? Who is saying you? Aiza is raising hand. I have asked you guys to learn the spellings.
F-O-F.
Yes, Moss.
F-O-R-T-Y.
So this is the spelling of 40. 40. Now the thousand spelling is so easy. T-H-O-U-S.
T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D.
40,000. So this is the answer. This is what? It's the we have written this 40,000 in words. This is the question 40,000 and we have to write this question in words. So first we'll write it in our, sorry. First we'll write it in our place value chart. First we'll write it in our place value chart. Then we'll observe that the number is standing, the first number is standing on that which place. As it is standing on the 10,000 place, so we'll write it that it must be 40,000, 50,000 or anything. So I'm giving you people one more question and you have to find out that which number is that and how can we write this number. Okay, now the number is
7.
so how many digits do we have? How many digits do we have?
5. 5.
Five. So what does it mean?
7.
So we have to observe our place value chart. That in the place value chart, where that 5 digits is, the 5 digits is means that it's 10,000.
10,000.
So we have to write 7 on the 10th place, 10,000 place. So we'll read it as, we'll read that 7 as, if that 7 is in 10,000 place, it means that we'll read as 70. 70. Then we'll read 1,000. So how can we write 70,000? How can we write? Who is going to tell me the spelling of 70?
SEVENTY.
Good, very well done. So this is 70,000. So I think this thing is clear. Up now, listen. If we have what? If we have this number, so how can we write this number in words? How can we write this number in words? How many digits do we have? How many digits do we have?
3.
3. So it means that it's a
3.
3. So it means that we have to use this column, na? This column.
Yes.
And the number is 203. So first we will fill the column. It's 203. Okay. Now where this 2 is standing? 2 is standing on the 100 place. So how can we write that? How can we count that number in words? It means that that 2 is standing at 100 place.
203.
And what is our unit place? 3. So what we will write? 200. 200.
200.
And the spelling of 3.
and
So is this thing clear? Is this
Yes.
thing clear? Now I'll share this place value chart on your class group and you all listen this thing very carefully, Ammar and everyone. I'll share this place value chart on your class group, okay? And you all have to copy this, like you have to make this place value chart as it is in your class work copies, okay? And on that place value chart, I'll only write like the thing I have written earlier, like only one pen. You know, I'm not going to write it like the numbers, so you guys will not confuse. So first you have to make this chart, okay? Now after that, now before starting the homework, which we'll give you after this class, before starting the homework, you have to make this place value chart on the next page again, okay? And on the next page, you will not write these numbers, okay? On the next page where you have to do the homework, you will not write these numbers. You will only write, yes, Aiza, I'll listen, beta. Just wait. You just need to write this, yes, Aiza. What do you want, beta? Yes.
मिस ये आपके लिए इसमें चार्ट बनाना है तो मैं हम कैसे बनाएंगे?
You have to use your scale and pencil to draw this chart. Do you want to copy it or just take the PDF, just share the PDF and you will copy it? No, I want you guys to just make this with pencil and a scale, and I'll share this screenshot. So you have to like you have to
Miss?
just Yes, what?
Miss, do we have to draw this on our copy?
Yes, you have to draw this place value chart on your copy. Like you have to write, take your copy and where like that you guys are making title pages of the copies, no?
Yes.
So you have to move your copy horizontally. Acha, okay, I'll share
Okay.
that thing also, that how can you make that chart, okay? I'll ask Miss
Okay.
Malia and she'll explain you guys that how can you people place. Miss Malia on horizontally they have to make that chart.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
first they have to make that chart horizontally. Then on the next page they have to make that chart again, and you have to also, okay, again vertically, matlab like in the copy. Small they have to make for the homework, and you all need to follow that color code also, like unit green, tens. Color code, Miss Malia, is just
Blue.
topics, headings, not for all the work.
Okay, miss.
I'm explaining you this thing is just because that you will send the work for the copy. So this is the place value charge which you all have to. Hani and Kashyap, what happened to you guys? This is the class. Okay, now I'm giving you people one more question, and that question would be a bit difficult. Okay. Now, how can we write this answer? Who is going to tell me that this is the question and how many digits do we have? How many digits do we have?
7.
7, it
9.
means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Aiza. We have 7-digit number.
Sorry.
So if we have 7-digit number, it means that we have to place that 7-digit number here on the 7-digit column. Here we have to place this number. Okay. So first we'll start writing it because it's a 7-digit number. So we'll start writing it from this number, the first number 7. Now the second number is 2, and rest of the numbers are 0. So how
Yes.
can we spell that number? How can we write that number in words? So which place is this?
Million.
Million. So what is this place?
Million.
So we'll write 7 million first.
7 million.
Then where
And
this 2 is standing?
1,000.
So that 2 is standing on the
100,000.
100,000 place. So we will write it.
100,000.
We'll start writing it like this: 7 million and 2. Sorry, not this.
7 million and
200,000.
200,000.
First, we have to write that 7 million. Then that 2 is standing on the 100,000 place. So we'll write 200,000.
yes.
7 million and 200,000. Is this thing clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So